Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names. The first one is a camel. This is a camel. This is a camel. This is a giraffe. A giraffe. This is a sheep. This is a lion. A lion. This is a panda. This is a peacock. This is a lioness. A lioness. This is a rhino. This is a peacock. This is a hen. This is a hippopotamus. And this is a hen. This is a cow. This is a deer. A deer.